Good day to Mrs. Guha, teachers and fellow students. I am Shanmili from Year 6A. Firstly, we, Year 6 students, would like to wish you all a very happy Chinese New Year. Gong Xi Fa Cai. To grace this special occasion, we, Year 6 students, will be presenting a skit. So sit back and enjoy. Thank you.
Why so dusty? 姐，你没有看到我在玩 game 咩
Oh yeah, I will clean the house. Chinese New Year coming up in 2 days.
We clean our house to welcome in a new year.
Do you know that spring cleaning is part of Chinese tradition practiced before Chinese New Year?
Yes, sweeping away the dust represents sweeping away all the old things and bad luck.
Bid farewell to the old year and welcome in the new year.
Oh! You're not supposed to do that.
Daddy, we are hungry. Got to wait for Yeye, Mama, Shushu and Shen Shen. Hi, Gong Xi Fa Cai.
Mama, Shushu.
Come, let's have a reunion dinner together.
Why must we have reunion dinner before Chinese New Year?
The reunion dinner is an annual feast where family members reform the love and respect to bind themselves as a unit.
Boys! Mama, Shushu.
No. No.
Why do we need to wear red or bright colored clothes?
Red is China's good luck color, believed to scare away the spirits of bad fortune. Black and white is symbolic of mourning and death. It would not be appropriate. Yeah, 长命百岁。妈妈身体健康，
乖乖，
爸爸财源广进，
一定。
妈咪青春美丽。Aiden, you can't do that. This is impolite. Oh, fine. I'll open it later.
哎呦，为什么地上满地都是饼屑？
臭，新年第一件拿起扫地的。
You can't sweep or take out garbage on first day of Chinese New Year.
The act of sweeping on this day is associated with sweeping wealth away.
Taking out garbage symbolizes dumping out good luck or good fortune from the house.
Our friends are here. Let's invite them in.
Konshini 每条大街小巷，每个人的嘴里，
见面第一句话就是恭喜恭喜，
恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！